Hi, Cancer. Let's see what your money, finances, and career is all about. I'm going to get an overall energy card for you. Let's see what's going on for Cancer. For money, finances, and career. Cancer. What's going on for Cancer? Overall energy for Cancer. For money, finances, and career. Show me what I need to see, please. All right, Cancer. We have unlocking. Let's see what that says for you. What was locked can now be opened. You have opened the floodgates of abundance without limitation. Blocks are there to tell you that you're steering off track. So there may be some blocks to let you know that you're steering off track. You're going the wrong way. What was once locked can now be opened. And you're opening the floodgates of abundance without limitations. All right. Let's see what's going on for you, Cancer. Unlocking. What's going on for Cancer with the energy of unlocking around them? What is going on for Cancer? Show me what I need to see, please. Three of Swords, Two of Wands, and the Ace of Swords. Did I say 2 of Swords or 3 of Swords? 3 of Swords. So, hurt, betrayal, stabbed in the heart. I'm feeling that this is over. You're heading in the right direction. You're at a crossroads, but you're heading in the right direction. You're getting some truth, clarity, or you could be speaking your truth. Making a decision what to do. Let's see what's going on for you, Cancer. Why is the 3 of Swords here for Cancer? 3 of Swords. Why is the 3 of Swords here for Cancer? Five of Swords. This is my this or that card. This is like wanting to win at all costs or being the bigger person and walking away. The choice is yours. There's a big change coming. Let's see. Show me what I need to see, please. There you are, Cancer. Chariot. Moving forward. Moving away from the heartache. Let's see. The 3 of Swords and the Chariot. Why are they here for Cancer? Show me what I need to see, please. It's raining so hard here. We have the Knight of Wands. Oh, this is someone who takes action. Someone who's energetic, charming, very passionate, free-spirited. Something's happened quickly. You're moving away from that, maybe moving towards this. Knight of Wands. Or you could be taking the energy of this Knight of Wands on. Very driven. You need to make a decision here, though. Let's see what that is. Why is the Two of Wands here for Cancer? Why is the Two of Wands here for Cancer? Show me what I need to see, please. Decisions, choices, options. You're maybe not seeing these, but or maybe you do see them and you just have to make a decision on which one. It could be something emotional, could be a new person, it could be something you don't see yet. A decision is needed. Could be getting some truth and clarity about an option or choice, maybe from somebody that's been in and out of your life. Let's see. Two of Wands and the Seven of Cups. Why are they here for Cancer? Why are they here for Cancer? Show me what I need to see, please. Page of Wands. A messenger coming in with some new ideas. Fresh ideas, yeah. Fresh ideas, choices here. Someone who's very fearless. That's the same with this Knight of Wands. Someone who's fearless. Someone who takes action here. Young, someone younger than you. Someone who just has no care in the world, that just goes for it. Let's see what's going on here. Getting some truth, some clarity with the Ace of Swords. Why is the Ace of Swords here for Cancer? Show me what I need to see, please. Ace of Swords. Hangman. All right. Hangman. Sacrificing yourself for something. You're just not doing anything right now. Maybe with this information you've gotten, you're contemplating on what to do with it. Let's get the last card here for you. Ace of Swords and the Hangman. Why are they here for Cancer? Show me what I need to see, please. Three of Pentacles. All right, this has to do with work, collaborate, your teamwork, your skill, your goals. Options and choices. A decision to make, something that hurt you. I'm feeling like that's in the past. You have options and choices now. Maybe you have you're collaborating with the new team members. Taking going on new adventures, like there's new ideas, You're recovering from something that hurt you in the past. You're unlocking abundance now. You're getting some truth and clarity. Are you going to a new job? Moving away from something that hurt you? Taking action with some new ideas? You're getting some truths and clarity, and you're contemplating on what to do. Maybe about a team member. You're unlocking something here. Taking action. You're fearless in this action that you want to take. You have a lot of choices and decisions around you. You may not see every choice every choice that you have, and you put yourself in isolation to think about things. You're moving forward with something here. Being courageous. You got the whole world in your hand, Cancer. You just need to make a choice here. Center the reading if you have a lot of choices and options. You're unlocking something that was locked and now is open for you. Let's see what your crystal that you need to work with. Cancer crystal wisdom card for Cancer for this reading. What is the crystal that Cancer needs to work with? Show me what I need to see, please. All right. Your crystal is citrine. Invite abundance and prosperities. Let your spirit shine bright. That's a nice one. Invite abundance and prosperities. Let your spirit shine bright. Let's see what your light pathway is, Cancer. Light pathway for Cancer. Show me what I need to see, please. All right, let's see what we have. Apology and focus on your goals. You may be getting apologies, or maybe you need to apologize. Apology. Let's see what your spirit message is. Spirit message for Cancer for this reading. What is the message from Spirit for this reading for Cancer? Show me what I need to see, please. And your spirit message is, never allow yourself to be taken for granted. It is better to remove yourself from the situation than to be treated less than you deserve. You are precious. You are worthy. This is what I have for you, Cancer. Please take what resonates and leave the rest behind. Thank you for coming. Remember to shine your light with love and peace. Bye.